All right, Chris, welcome back. So are we right that we're still seeing more properties above listing being sold this May than last May?
Hey, thank you. It's so great to be back. No, I don't think that's actually a fair characterization of what we're seeing in the market now. Looking back, it's really a tale of two vastly different markets. I mean, we're coming off a near record year that saw double-digit increases in volume and price appreciation, and the sellers had all the upper hand and the leverage. But now what's happened is the buyers have been really hit with what I refer to as a 1-2 punch of rising interest rates, equity volatility, and then on top of that, we're throwing in a looming recession. So the buyers are taking a step back and trying to make sense of a shifting and rebalancing market and really trying to make sense and figure out what can we now afford in this climate and where the market is. And is it in fact still the right time to buy? So deal volume has really tapered off tremendously.
Chris, I wonder what this means for the mindset of sellers, right? I mean, you have this idea that you're going to sell your property for a certain price. You've been looking forward to that price for years. You put it on the market. How long are things sitting on the market now? And then how long before sellers sort of have to psychologically come to terms with the idea that they're not going to get X, they're going to get X minus Y?
That's a great point and a concern for sellers because sellers sometimes look in the rearview mirror.
Right.
They're looking at what their neighbor sold 6 months ago. But I'm telling you, in January, the interest rate was around 4%. Now it's 6%. There's a whole different mindset and psychology that the buyers are going through. And the sellers need to be sensitive to that.
So how long does it take? How long does that take to come to terms with that? You have that sort of emotional moment. You put the house on the market, it doesn't move, or you talk to your real estate agent and they say, you know, that's not the price, it's this price. Can people get over that in days? Do they take weeks to sort of put their places on the market?
You know, it depends on the broker and the seller, but in my experience, I would say probably around 4 to 6 weeks.
Wow.
You know, and the tricky part, if I can just add, you're going to have these 2Q reports coming out next week. Keep in mind that the data that they're looking at, the average contract signed is in January. That was a completely different market. So you really have to trust what the brokers are advising you that we're seeing on the boots on the ground.
Christopher, one of the other things we've been hearing is about upward pressure on rents. Now, Manhattan rents for sure have made this comeback to, I guess, what are past or new all-time highs. How is the dynamic against the housing market helping to boost rent prices if it still is? Are there bidding wars or is that starting to cool now? Where do you think rents are going?
No, well, the rent market is going crazy. And traditionally, the summer season is always the hottest time for rentals. I think we just eclipsed the $4,000 average mark. And people are coming back to work. The city has been back to life. So there's strong demand there. And it's pretty humbling, actually, as a renter to see just how little your rental dollars go. And I'm interested to see the interplay between that and rising interest rates and how that works out.
Absolutely.
New York real estate has always been humbling, hasn't it?
Yes.
$4,000 that's a heck of a number.
It is, and it really has mounted a comeback and continues to keep the heat on. Chris, thanks. We'll check back in soon.
Thank you so much, Chris.
Christopher Cromer.